Blink right now. Guess what? That was too slow. What's wild is researchers did a study. They flashed perfect strangers' faces for 13 milliseconds to test subjects. You couldn't consciously actually see the face, yet people still picked who looked trustworthy to them, competent to them. Today, I'm going to tell you exactly how you can benefit in your life from this study. Here's the kicker. They flipped the faces even upside down, blurred the details, and judgments barely even changed. They still picked the same one. Let me repeat that because it's so powerful for your everyday life. They flipped the faces upside down, blurred the details, and judgment did not change. What did these brains and what would your brain pick out of that simple flash that made people so compelling to the test subjects? What was the attractiveness feature that you can benefit from? Well, it turns out the human brain is a pattern detector on autopilot. Symmetry and youth cues fire before reason even shows up, before you can process it and reason. The first impression you make isn't thoughtful, it's prehistoric, it's built in. Now, before I lay out exactly how you can take advantage of this, think of this as something similar. When you go to the cliff's edge, you freeze, you stop. Ask yourself, why does that even happen? No math, no reasoning, just prehistoric survival firing first. So let's use this blink study outside the lab, in everyday life, the boardroom, brunch, even a first date. Same science, same signal. That means small things that improve balance on your face, harmony on your face, can greatly work to your advantage. Even skin tone, facial fat support, well-placed filler can change how youthful and trustworthy you appear instantly. Now, the great news is you don't need to chase perfection. You want to restore harmony so first impressions work for you, not against you. Face peel pads, flash fillers that don't remain in your face forever, skin boosters, microneedling, at-home derma rolling, plasmasomes, LED light's a great one, like an LED face mask. Home RF devices, they all work with your great skincare routine to work with you, not against you. It's not buying more products, it's knowing exactly what to use, what you have at home already.